Good morning, guys. So I'm just waking up and outside is so bleaky today. Like, look at that. It is so bleaky. I'm not even gonna show you guys my face right now because I'm looking so crusty. But I was just feeling a bit cold, so I just said let me go and check out the weather is outside. And this is what I'm seeing. No sunshine in LA today. Well, at the moment still, because it might change, but it might not. So I don't know what we're going to do today. Let's see. Hi guys, so I am here. As I showed you early on, the time is still cold, like cold, and still misty, but there I go. Baked chicken. I actually already placed it out, seasoned it and all of that. It's just basically for me to get it ready, you know. Well, it's basically for me to just pop it in the oven, and that's what I'm about to do. Hi guys, so I'm here. We're about to head to the movie. We are going to watch The Quiet Place, I believe. Yeah, The Quiet Place. We're waiting on Tracy to get ready. Well, she'll get ready, but she is ready. But we're waiting for her for Willie. I
was like, no, please. First of all, it's so funny because people thought I was angry. Why? Take him. Please, dear God, take him back.
Yeah.
Like,
so
please. I beg
doing that
of you. Like,
right now, watching
back.
an interview on Hollywood on that. And that's about it. So when we reach, I'll let you guys know, and I'll definitely give a mini review on the movie. So, bye. So it's sunny today, so guess who is going to go out and exercise? We are. So I'll see you guys there.
Lights are red and there's sweat on your embrace. Just one other thing I dare. Lights are red and there's time to your embrace. There's another dare. Lights are red and there's sweat on your embrace. Just one other thing I dare. Lights are red and there's time to your embrace. There's another dare. One other thing I dare. Lights are red and there's time to your embrace. There's another dare. Another dare. Lights are red and there's time to your embrace. There's another dare. Lights are red and there's time to your embrace. There's another dare. Lights are red and there's sweat on your embrace. There's one other thing I dare.
So we are done with the gym. You always catch me cursing and all that and doing that. And we're heading guess because it's that time of the month. Today's workout was really good. You're crossing.
Oh, you can walk.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So yeah, kind of feel sick, but pushing through. Get something to eat and then we'll leave, I guess. So I just had a good snooze in that Uber. Like, yeah, I was so tired. Let me just drop asleep. Left the 1 year watching a video. Oh yeah, watch the vlog. Oh, she's watching my vloggy vlog. She don't. She wants her outfit to be vlogged. So where is the top from?
I'm not going to tell you.
Why not? Fashion over something. Forever 21. TJ Maxx bottom. Me can't tell you say that happened. And she like show her booty. My top, downtown Kingston. Alright, eat. I should have to realize because she focusing on something else. She did hungry. She not even realize I'm a vlogger, no, you know.
Oh my God.
Because she just focus and it's not like she having the headphones.
Show you. I don't even know if my wig set properly.
It's set good.
I have to secure the wig.
Yeah, that look fun.
I'm eating something unhealthy. Somewhat. Only because it's fast food and there's cheese in it.
Not necessarily. And the bread. The white bread.
Yeah, not bread, white bread. Because bread is fine.
Yeah, no, I said the white bread.
Anyways, come let me show you what I'm showing you. This is so mean. I was showing you something. Somebody commented and said, close the microwave, and she said, I already said it, I'm not housewife material. Me as shit. See what I did there? I said shit instead of egg. Out of respect for y'all. I'm learning.
Mommy, she learning.
Exactly.
If you have 3 color here in Amazon figure, pack it up. Like, don't look bad, you know.
Let me take it off. Don't let these people see my wig.
She don't want she trying wig, guys.
A little bit from back. Yeah.
I don't know. It's way too curly for me. Honestly, I like curls, but not these big curls. Like,
You know, like the heavy curls. That are you. We all know so that are you.
it's cute though. It's a nice little draw on. I don't have to put draw it on. But it looks kind of crazy.
Can you not cut yours so? Cut
This is more me than anything else. Can you just check if you have this in a black piece, just so I can try the black? Can I try the black? Oh my god, that's
you only can try the one with the on the pot. Okay.
I like it.
Yeah, that's cute.
I like it because I always go for curly hair, you know. There's no part, there's no nothing to show. So I think I'm gonna take this in black. Ooh.
I like that red wig over there.
You know when they're doing the YouTube videos and then they go, oh, this is my look, and they go and they glam it up.
Yeah, slow motion it.
So guys, this is the final look, and as you see, this is a synthetic wig for like $40.
It's not 40, it's $34.99.
Oh my god, $34.99. Did you hear that? I love it. I'll take it black.
Let me go check for you. Can I have the hair back?
May I put that in a black watch?
Can I have
the hair back? Hi guys.
First, you start already?
Yeah, it's on record.
How am I supposed to know?
When the ear it's not recording.
My background look proper in here somewhere before. Please to stop your vlog.
Hello. Anyways, guys, I got my birthday here, and I'm opening it. I'm opening it here. Yeah. You know from when I get it? I'm gonna open it and this girl tell me say, oh, I'm not opening something yet. Yeah, so I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna see. Because she has stressed me out.
Okay.
So yeah, I got my hair from Unice. Everybody keeps saying Unice have good ear. So hopefully them better have good ear, because if they don't have good ear, I'm gonna talk about them. Can I talk about them for true? Then give me one little fake lash. It just little and shiny-ish. I wonder if we can't make it. I'm going to try to do the brush out method with these lashes and see how it come out and if it's nice. So this one came with 3 bundles and a closure. First thing first, I'm look on another closure. Because why them staple the closure to the plastic though? That's something more than shouldn't, because if I drag it and the closure drag off and rip, then your ears say I'm my fault. How do you get this out? No. Alright, one complain. Why put the staple through the closure though? I mean, the only I make my closure get ripped. Supposed to be a middle part if I purchase right. No, the curl pattern looks different-ish from the closure. From the hairs that I'm seeing right now, it kind of look different. It look bigger. The curl pattern look bigger. This is which inch? Made in China. This is okay. So this is what tell you what inch it is. It seems like, because they don't put it. I'm gonna look before I talk. Yeah, they don't put it here, so this is where you find out what inch it is. Focus. Right now, focus. Yeah, see there, so it's 20 inches, because this one have the 22. I'm just saying because that's what me see it right now. So this one has the 22 because I bought 2 22s. Yeah, 2 22s and a 20, and the 2 of these have the 22 at the end right here. So most that it mean, and the one here have the 20. So I'm just gonna put up my 21 because I need to put out the rest. I just need to put out this one. But I'll put out one of the 22 then, because I need to see if the end's trashy as well, because I don't like that with weave, the trashy end thing. So it smells like ear, like China ear. The ends kind of thin on this one, so you definitely know. So the ends on the 22 won't be thin, so you're probably gonna need to cut it down just a little bit. Just this, see, just all of that is thin. Yeah, the curl pattern, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but if you look properly, you see that the curl pattern on the closure is completely different. from the curl pattern on the bundles. You see this one big, the curl pattern is bigger than this one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's evident to me. I'm probably OCD. You can see it? The difference in the curl pattern?
Yeah, this bigger.
Yeah.
The more rougher spiral and so bigger.
So it's noticeable.
Usually them clothes are very much for shit. Why am I supposed to choose this?
Then that's not bleach, so you would have to definitely bleach it. And the front.
You ever bleach it?
The front, probably. I know, I'm not gonna put it in. I'm not wig it. I just sew in the hair, I think. The front need to be plucked. I don't know about anybody else, but I pluck my closure front as well. Not that drastic like how you pluck out our frontal, but kind of pluck out the front too to make it look, yeah. Anywho, I'm gonna put back this one in it so I'm gonna get them confused. Oh, we went to the movies since night and we watched Avengers. It was good in the beginning, and then it spiraled into me arguing. Why would you do that to Wakanda though? Just saying, because I don't want to give away the movie for those who did not watch it, but I'm just saying, why would you do that to Wakanda? Why? It's like, why? Wakanda never did nobody nothing? Why they never did go back to America, go do them thing, you know? This one, actually, yeah, the ends as well. And this one, little bit of hair drop out already. See? And I mean, it a drop out with you. Yeah. Oh, I'm not even know tell them what kind of ear me tell them. It is their Malaysian curl. They did not give me any information in the box either. Then just send it. I guess I'm gonna say you buy your ear, supposed to know which ear you buy. That is a Malaysian curl, deep curl, whatever. No tattoo, I don't remember. Yeah, so back to Avengers. And then how they ended it, it was like, what the hell? Why would you end the show like that? Like, it never did need to end. So you could have ended it better, don't? You could have ended better than all them in it. It did deserve a better ending.
Basically, go watch the movie to find out.
Yeah, then basically I tell you need to watch the other one will come out. Then basically, because if you watch this, you're gonna eventually want to watch the other one after coming out. So I just said that them
one will come out before Wakanda though. Before Wakanda 2.
I don't know, maybe because it might get more rated.
Before a Black Panther 2, no, because people want to see what happens.
Yeah.
And you can't have a Black Panther 2 before that.
You can, because remember I said Black Panther can be before that. Black Panther 2 can be before the Avengers something, you know.
Ain't nobody gonna believe that.
Yeah, it can be. Because remember, you know, them say, oh, why we open with borders? Because remember, so them say, me think say we open with borders so we could have Starbucks. Nothing have people problem, can we? So they can do it before. Depends. Yeah, I'm gonna do it before. Trust me.
I don't see that happening. Before the world ever knew dawn, would he believe in
I've seen many chances of faces, but I wanna see us together now.
People will talk because Tracy is too much.
Oh, and we're going out tomorrow. That would be in a separate vlog.
Today?
Well, yeah, basically today because 12 o'clock. So, yeah. Ow!
Oh my god, you must have cut that out.
So, yeah. I'm hungry. Tengo hambre. I shouldn't be hungry, you know, but throw up them late hours here. Like we don't have bed.
Probably don't.
I sleep in this chair. Yep, that's what you have me sleeping.
And I come on Friday,
the struggles. Yeah, for sure. Then the struggle partner all the day. Nice part.
There you go.
The struggle part with the one heap of shoes behind it, huh?
There you go. Oh, did we get the shoes?
Nah, my business.
What the hell is with these people? First up, Forever 21 come with the Jamaican swimsuit. Now they have this romper, Jamaican Me Crazy tube romper and Fashion Over. It have nothing to do with Jamaica. Jamaican Me Crazy. Is it?
See, but I guess they have the yellow, red, and green stripe at the top.
I'm gonna zoom in on it right now and look
and that's
it's red and nothing. Because I'm like, what y'all doing? What y'all trying to do?
Them just try to make money off of Jamaica and Jamaica now make no money off of themselves.
Or maybe, because people buying from Fashion Over a lot, maybe they're trying to target their international people, the ones that will buy more. They can't see.
Nope. That's because everybody around go up on Jamaica now, and then color, and they say people are take it to that level, then just do it.
I don't know. When I work a Fashion Over.
Yeah, so thank you for ordering.
So we're going to bed so early.
Time for you to get to bed so you can wake up early. As I wake up, I go bed and start doing my makeup. Because nobody now go. Yeah, for true. That may go do for true. Because nobody now go tell me say hurry up and done. Hurry up here take too long. They don't know how long makeup take, you know. Because they don't do makeup, so they don't stress you out. And then if I do that now, I can't get rid of your makeup afterwards. When you're not in the makeup life, they just it's so stressing. Okay. I tell people for hurry up and do their makeup. You know what? It just make you do foolishness. When somebody rush you to do your makeup, you just eventually frig up your face and like, oh my god. Yeah, so
Gonna find some cheap shit for once.
So I think this is where I'm going to end this vlog. Oh, I was supposed to give you guys a rundown on Acrimony too. Acrimony is one of the dumbest movie I've watched. Like legit, I wouldn't tell anybody to waste their money and watch that movie in the theater. First of all, tell Perry to stop make women look stupid. It make we look like we're the stupidest creature, you know?
But you know that from a black woman, he didn't.
Yes, he did, because she was at one point in a stupid situation.
Yeah, but then she overcome it.
Yeah, but still, we always look stupid. You need to stop it now. It's time to liberate. It's time to liberate. to liberate our black women, make we look better, positive. Yeah, Tyler Perry. Yes, he will. One day he will.
Let's have some faith.
Let us elevate our black women. I understand that what he's trying to put across is that we have mental issue. Yes.
Fuck no.
No, like people in the community have mental issue and we don't know, because they could have said from she young she have that issue, but nobody took the time out to send her to counseling and figure out what was the cause of the issue, because everybody knows that she have anger problem from she young. And then they'll say, oh, she have anger problem like her father, but hers was worse. Nobody not say, let me find out why she angry. Exactly.
Blah, blah, blah.
I can understand that you're trying to bring awareness to certain disorder, but the ending is kind of stupid too, because it did all look like, you know, them low quality movie the end of the ending where she try to chop up the man and all of that, something that part that it kind of start look fidgety. And then when she go down in the water, all that was kind of like the money they done right there, so and you just want the movie for done, so let me just done it quick, you know, that kind of movie. It was like that in the end. No, Quiet Place, because we watched Quiet Place done. Quiet Place was not what I expected. Quiet Place, I thought it was some doping, you know, doping I people them house. I thought it was ghosts. Like we say ghost, because that's an English word. I thought it was ghosts and the people them in the house, and them couldn't really do nothing in the house. Them have to tiptoe in the house. I thought that was the case, and it was not. And then the whole thing where the girl never realized her sitting there did affect it. Well, yeah, we can't tell them all in the movie because we don't know who watch it. But still, it just it's irritating. It's irritating so bad. Like, you're going to always be like, why don't you do this? Why don't you, you know? In that movie, you're going to be like, oh my god, just do this, please. Or I can't do this. But
after all, that's a weird part.
I can't ever say the ending was good. Because the ending never did good either. The ending wasn't good.
See, I swore under my breath.
So if we're supposed to rate which movie then supposed to watch out of all of those, we go Quiet Place, Acrimony, Avengers. We go somewhere else. We do watch our next movie. Truth or Dare.
Truth or Dare, good too.
So which one would you put in first place?
Truth or Dare.
Did I put Truth or Dare in the first place?
Yeah, and Avengers.
Truth or Dare did end good, because me like the fact that she said, like she said, F it, me I choose my best friend over the whole freaking world. So
why we put Truth and Dare there, it was more
grasping
it more grasping it, more have your attention. Avengers.
But Avengers had your attention.
Yeah, have your attention, but superhero, blah blah blah, real life thing. Alright, I'll see.
But Truth or Dare is not really real life.
Of course, you can science people and so. You see what that?
Science.
Yeah, science again. You can cast
you
evil
can.
spirit and so.
You can.
That can happen. That can definitely happen, and demon roam the earth.
It can.
And blah 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 if you're superstitious.
But I guess I would say Truth or Dare too, because I guess because it ends that way, and it probably can't have a part 2. It can, you know, but it at least yes to say it finished. It end.
It give you a proper conclusion.
Yeah, it end.
It was well thought out.
Yes. It gave you everything that you need to have in a movie.
Yes, right there.
So I can say, alright, Truth and Dare, then Avengers, then maybe I don't even know how to put Quiet Place.
I put Acrimony before Quiet Place. Only because Acrimony did crazy too, and it keep you cussing, and so Quiet Place is total shit. Shit.
So you'd put Truth or Dare,
Avengers,
Acrimony,
And then that.
And then Quiet Place.
Yeah, so we have what you call it to go watch.
Overboard and Rampage.
So we'll add that in there.
So that's the order that we're putting it in right now. So you definitely need to watch Truth or Dare, Avengers, but you can probably leave out Acrimony and Quiet Place. You can bootleg those. Just saying.
It's illegal.
It is, but
this is not telling you to go and do something.
Exactly. We're not telling you to do illegal things here, but we're just saying.
Try this at home, please.
We're just saying, like that. Yeah.
Just saying, if you can wait on the bootleg, wait on. Oh my God.
Yeah, just wait on it, because it's not that good. But definitely you can watch Truth or Dare and Avengers. And yeah, there's something that the chair movement thing, what you call that?
D-box.
It never did, to me that was, it never did make sense. The only thing it did do, massage me a little bit. Yeah, but still, it's not like said the effect. To me, the effect that was happening and the movement in the movie and the effect what you get, they kind of thrown off.
Those 2 tickets cost $50. So
it was thrown off.
That was a $50 movie.
It never did work. That then could I do without that, the whole seat movement thing. But if you're into that, fine. But
you're into that type of kink,
yeah, I know, right? That's fine. But to me, it never did all that needed.
if you're into that type of kink.
Yeah, so this is gonna be the end of this vlog. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Oh my God, not the bye.